Hi, Emmett. Can you say hi, Mommy?
Hi, Mommy.
Are you ready to open some fun surprises?
Yeah.
I have another surprise for you.
Yeah.
This is a special package.
Yeah. What's in there?
We have to open it to find out.
It's a bar.
Yes.
Wanna open it? It's a bar. Wow.
It's a surprise ball.
Let's go open it and see what's in there.
There you go. Want to unwind it?
Mommy, mind it?
You do it. Look. Pull on the string.
No.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Just pull this part and it'll unwind. Streamers. Is that a little froggy tattoo?
Let's go get the balloon.
What else is inside?
The balloon in there.
Oh, you're getting back to the Play-Doh? Should we keep unwinding? Let's see.
It's a balloon.
It is?
Yeah.
Wow. What is there?
Balloon.
There's a balloon? That's a heart balloon for Valentine's Day.
I'm hold up.
Okay, let's finish unwinding the ball and I'll blow it up for you, okay?
I'm tired of flight.
Fly it up. Fly it up somewhere, huh? Want to help pull the string? More surprises. What is that?
It's a heart.
It's a heart. Wow, is it an eraser?
Yeah. I'll eat it.
You're gonna eat the eraser?
Yeah.
That'd be silly. What else is in there?
What's in there? Whoa.
Whoa, that's a lot of green paper, huh?
It's candy.
It's candy?
Yeah.
Let's see. Hold it up. Little yummy candies.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll save those, huh?
I'm gonna pull it up.
Well, let's see what other surprises are in here. Oh, what popped out? Right here. Some more paper hearts.
I'm gonna pull it up.
Look, there's more. Oh, what else popped out right
I'm gonna pull it up.
there? Yep, we'll blow it up in just a sec. Let's finish unraveling the ball. And what is that?
A heart.
Is that a sticky toy? You could put that on the windows and stuff. Keep rolling. Keep Keep rolling. I think there's more prizes in there. Where is it going? Whoa! What is that? Is that a robot pin? Do you want to wear that on your shirt? No? Let's see.
What's the balloon?
The balloon's right here. We'll blow it up when we're all done. Can you pull this? Maybe there's...
Candy.
It's a, yeah, something like that. I think it's a sticky hand. The kind that you throw and it sticks to the glass.
No, blow it.
Yeah, we'll blow it up. Let's see what else is in here. We're almost done. Can you roll it? Open it up. No way. Is that a candy bracelet?
Yeah.
What color are the candies on there?
Green and white.
Yeah, not the pink though, huh?
I'm gonna open this.
Look. There's something else in the middle.
A chocolate.
And chocolate. What kind of chocolate? Oh, you know what? This is the Mighty Mini figurine from Batman vs. Superman.
I'm gonna blow it up.
Yeah. Whoa, and lots of confetti paper. Emmy, can you say bye?
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Now we'll blow our car.